In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and manage balance, connect overdraft protection in Bank of America online and mobile banking. First, start by signing into your account. You can do this either on the Bank of America website or through the mobile banking app. Make sure you're on a secure connection, and if you're using the app, confirm it's updated to the latest version for the smoothest experience. Once you're in, choose the checking account you want to manage. This is the account that could be overdrawn and that you'll be protecting with Balance Connect. Double check that you've selected the correct checking account if you have more than one. Next, head to Account Management. On desktop, you'll usually find this from your account details or settings area. In the app, look for a similar settings or account services section. This is where Bank of America centralizes tools that control how your account behaves, including overdraft options. Within Account Management, select Balance Connect for overdraft protection. This feature allows you to set up a safety net so that if your checking account goes negative, money can automatically transfer from your chosen backup accounts to cover the shortfall. It's designed to help you avoid declined transactions and potential overdraft fees when funds are tight. Here, you can enable or disable overdraft protection. If you turn it on, you'll be able to link up to 5 backup accounts for coverage. Choose the accounts you want to use and review the order they're listed in, because transfers typically follow that order. Consider which accounts have sufficient balances and how often you use them. It's also a good idea to review any applicable terms, including potential fees, transfer limits, or timing, especially if a backup account has withdrawal restrictions. Keeping a small cushion in your primary checking account can further reduce the chance of needing a transfer. When you're satisfied with your selections, save your settings to apply the changes. Look for a confirmation message on screen and consider taking a quick screenshot or noting the date for your records. If you don't see a confirmation, refresh your account view and verify that the protection shows as active with the correct backup accounts. If you'd rather not manage this online, you can contact Bank of America customer support for guidance or visit a financial center to handle it in person. Either way, you're now set up with a backup plan that can help prevent overdraft fees and keep your everyday transactions running smoothly.